hot L type quick release vertical plate. It's universal for all the cameras and you can use it in any type of camera irrespective of the brands. So let's get started with the unboxing. So this is the package that I ordered from Amazon and it comes from ZODUCT brand, and there are various brands that sells the same thing with their different brand name. So let's quickly unbox it and see. So there is no branding here. The only plain cardboard box comes with it. No branding, nothing. So let's see what's inside. First we get all the screws and the driver. With that we get two drivers. First I thought they by mistake gave me two drivers, but they both have different roles. There are two type of screws and therefore two type of drivers. Then this is the bottom plate and here comes the side plate. So they both are metallic and the bottom plate consists of a rubber part which will support your camera. So this is how this gonna look, and this is the rubber part which will support your camera, and this is the side part. They are all solid build and it doesn't looks like it's a cheap quality. And these are the two drivers. They both are of different sizes according to the screws we get. So these are the three type of screws. These are the small and bigger one, and this is the camera screw. And the bigger screws will come here and hold the thing. So we just quickly screw it up and see how it's gonna look. So yeah, we are done with the bigger screws. Now it's done for the smaller screws. Although I don't think smaller screws have any purpose other than the look, and there is a con of using the smaller screws which I will tell you later. This is the screw that will not go directly inside your plate. This has to be screwed inside. So if you try to put it directly, it will not go. You have to screw it and then it will move freely. So let me just show it to you. So I'm screwing it, and then when it goes all in, it's free to move, so that we don't lose it easily. So there is a camera mount. I'm gonna just put it at the right place and then screw it all the way in. You can leave the space between if you use HDMI cables or audio cables. I usually don't use it, so I'm gonna just completely fill the space, and this is how this is gonna look. So you can leave the space whenever you want. And although one of the best application that I found is that from the right side, because of your hand, it will be safe, but from the left side it will not be safe. Here is the disadvantage of the smaller screws that I was talking about before. When I screw it in my tripod, you can see there is a space because of the screw, and my camera is little bit tilt because of it. So I have to remove all the screws, because if I remove one screw, the solution is there, but it doesn't look right. So I unscrewed all the screws. So yeah, now if I try to fit in, it will go easily, and I can use it vertically and horizontally without any adjustment to my tripod. So that is more convenient. I don't have to adjust it again and again if I have to make different kind of videos. On Amazon you can find different prices varying from 800 to 1500, but they are all same. So I will mention the link that I ordered. If you have any specific questions, you can comment them down below, and next Monday I'm gonna upload a review video about this, that how was my experience of using it. So you better subscribe the channel so that you don't miss it.